Now let's take a look at this figure 17-27 that deals with wiring methods, Raceway installations in accordance with 300.18a. Now notice we also recommend that you see 300.12 and 300.15. Review the requirements in those sections. Now Raceway should be installed as a complete system before pulling wire. In other words, you would, blow a pull wire through here to pull in a rope or whatever you're using to pull your conductors through here. But you'd have to install these Raceway systems first before you pull the wire. And that's what it says here. Pull wires must not be installed until Raceway is completely installed. For CB interlock, see 490.46. See again, all wiring, ampacity of wiring is selected from Article 311. You use a table there based upon your installation of your wiring methods, and Raceway systems are cables. Now notice here your metal enclosed service equipment, 490.47. Again, all your components, switch gear, switchboards, panel boards, whatever, you're going to have to go to 490 to get those items. You only get the ampacity of the conductors from the new Article 311. If you're medium voltage, then the old article, existing Article 328, is now in the new Article 311, so kind of keep that in mind. And that's exactly what this figure 17-27 is illustrating to the user of the National Electrical Code.